Okay, I made it to Opals and now I'm going to log in. So up here in the top right corner, this very tiny little login, you're going to click that and you are going to type in your school Gmail address. So I'm going to log in as a teacher right now. Don't need a password. Nobody will need a password as long as you log in with your school Gmail account, as long as it's spelled correctly, there are no errors, and you're going to click login. Here we are. So let's say this teacher is looking for a particular book. Let's say I know the exact title, and it's called A Long Walk to Water. All these choices will come up. I'm going to click that, or I can just click search. And you'll see that there are two copies. They're both available. If one of them happened to be on loan right now, I could still request that I be the next one to borrow it. So here's the book. I want it. I'm going to click request. I want one. I want a notice by email. Here's the email address for this particular teacher. And I'm going to submit request. That's it. You don't have to change anything on the screen. Just submit request. And then you'll get this message that it's being processed. I will get it. I'll grab the book for you and I will bring it to you.